We learn construction and cabinetry. We focus on those because those are like the key jobs that you'll be going into.
Students in this program will learn framing. They'll learn basic framing. We'll learn roofing, drywall, sheetrock, tile. We'll focus on cabinetry for half the year. Basically anything, just construction from commercial to residential.
It's very satisfying building something and then seeing it built, like in real life, off of the blueprint.
You truly learn from experience. They give you hands-on work and you truly learn from what you're actually going out to do.
All the skill sets I have from the tools, like I didn't know how to use certain tools, but now I pretty much know how to use every tool in the shop. We can build dog houses, we can build sheds, we can build chicken coops. You can pretty much build whatever you want as long as you can imagine the design for it.
It was definitely worth it. I've learned a lot and I plan to continue learning a lot.
I believe that from what I've actually learned here, I can really make a living out of this job.
You can also go to college and do construction management. All of my contractors that hire out, they are super impressed with the employees that come to them from this school. If you want to go straight to the workforce, you'll make a lot of money. If you want to make money, this is a good field to be in.